what the cabinet has given approval today is first a decision to ban e-cigarettes, which is also otherwise technically called the ENDS, right? It is called the ENDS because it is electronic nicotine delivery system, ENDS, the formal technical name of e-cigarettes. Now, what does the ban mean? It means production, manufacturing, import, export, transport, or sale, or even distribution and storage and advertisement relating e-cigarettes are all banned. Reports say, not me, reports say that actually many people are no longer using it as a weaning step away from cigarette smoking. They do a bit of cigarette, they also do a bit of e-cigarette if they are already smokers of cigarettes. There are some who are probably getting into the habit because it seems cool. More than 400 brands, and even more important, none of which is manufactured yet in India, but even more important, they come in over 150 flavors: chocolate, strawberry, mint, and anything else. So it's become very cool to try it, to use it.